Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. I am very happy today. What is your name?
My name is Ayat Najir. My name is Abha Najir.
Oh, that's great. Ayat and Abha, both of your sister?
Yes.
You are sisters? Okay, that's great. And Ayat, what is your class?
I study in class 3.
You study in class 3. Oh, you are
Yes.
so big.
I
What is
study in class 6.
class 6? Okay. So your cloth is very nice, winter clothes, okay?
Yes.
What is the color of your dress? Can you say?
My dress color is pink, red, black.
MashaAllah, that's great. What is your dress color? It looks beautiful.
My dress color is blue, white.
White and black.
Black.
You are so smart. You are very beautiful girls, okay? And what is your school's name, Abha?
My madrasa name is Holy Model Madrasa.
Holy Model Madrasa. What is your madrasa name?
Holy Model Madrasa.
Okay. Can you recite from the Holy Quran?
Yes.
Okay, recite Surah Fatiha with Auzubillah. Try.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, it's great. Okay, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Najir Muhammad Ariful Haq.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Nazir Muhammad Ariful Haq.
Okay, you are two sisters, siblings? Okay, that's
Yes.
great. What is your father's profession?
My father is a businessman.
Oh, that's great. And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sister Jahan Shumi.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Ake Mahmudul Haq Najir Hiran Master.
Hiran Master. What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Ake Mahmudul Haq Najir.
He is a teacher?
Yes.
He was a headmaster?
Yes.
Okay. What is your uncle's name?
My uncle's name is Biplab.
Your uncle's name is Biplab, okay? What is his profession?
He is an English teacher.
Do you like to speak in English?
Yes.
Do you take any coaching from any coaching center?
Yes.
What is the name of your coaching center?
Liaquat's English Coaching.
Is it in Gazipur or Dhaka?
Dhaka.
Who is your teacher?
My teachers are Tasnim Miss and Ima Miss.
Do you enjoy their class?
Yes.